Hello and welcome to Setup Tour of HubSpot Connector for Magento 2. We will show you the complete setup process of the module. Let's start. The first step is to enable the module and copy the redirect URI from here. Click the Generate Client ID and Secret button. It will open the HubSpot login page. Log in with your account. Now select the existing user from here or create the new one. Now, you need to create the developer account. Add your job role. Add the account name. Now click Create an app. Change the app name or keep it same as you want. Go to Auth section. Add redirect URIs as displayed in module setting. Now select the scopes. In CRM section, select the read and write for contacts and deals. In Standard section, select the e-commerce and integration sync. Now click Save. Now copy client ID, paste in module setting in respected field. Now click Show and copy client secret, paste in module setting in respected field. Click Save Config. Now click Generate Tokens button in module setting. Select the account. Make sure your selected account must have access of all the features selected in Scope section, otherwise you will get authentication error as we get earlier. Now click Connect App. Once you see the authentication page at front end, refresh the configuration page. You will see that tokens are generated. There are a few more fields in module setting like Start Date to sync orders. This field will set the date from which Magento orders will sync to HubSpot. One last field is Order Statuses. Select the order statuses of Magento orders that will be synced to HubSpot. Leave it you want to sync all orders. Now save the configuration. Module setting is complete. Now we will show you the syncing of customers, products, and orders. Click the HubSpot menu and you will see the sync menus. In case these menus are not present, then plush Magento Cache from Cache Management. Now click the Sync Customers. Click the Export button to sync the customers from Magento to HubSpot. Import button will do the reverse of export. We have already synced the customers, you can see the list is present. Let's see them in HubSpot. See customers are present in HubSpot. Repeat the same process for products and order also. We have tried to cover all points, mainly the setup process. In case of any query, comment here or mail us at support@opencartsity.com. For further updates, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.